Hi, everyone. Today we'll cover content strategy for digital platforms and how to design and execute one that truly fits your audience. Let's start. A content strategy for digital platforms involves planning, creating, distributing, and managing content to achieve specific business goals. Effective content strategy aligns with your brand's objectives and meets the needs of your target audience. First, you need to define your goals. Are you looking to increase brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, generate leads, or boost sales? Clear goals will guide your content creation and distribution efforts. For instance, a tech startup might aim to increase brand awareness and drive traffic to its website through educational blog posts and social media content. Understanding your target audience is crucial. Create detailed buyer personas that include demographics, preferences, pain points, and behaviors. This ensures your content resonates with the right people. For example, a health food brand might target fitness enthusiasts looking for nutritious meal ideas. Next, perform a content audit to evaluate your existing content. Identify what's working, what's not, and any gaps you need to fill. This helps you build a more effective content strategy moving forward. An e-commerce store might discover that its product reviews and tutorials are popular and decide to create more of this type of content. Once you have your goals and audience defined, it's time to plan your content. Choose the types of content that will best engage your audience, such as blog posts, videos, infographics, podcasts, and social media updates. A travel agency might use blog posts for destination guides, Instagram for travel photos, and YouTube for travel vlogs. Develop an editorial calendar to organize and schedule your content. This ensures consistency and helps you keep track of key dates and campaigns. For instance, a fashion brand could plan seasonal content around major fashion weeks and holidays. Effective content distribution is key. Share your content across various digital platforms where your audience is active. This might include your website, social media channels, email newsletters, and third-party sites. A financial services company might publish articles on LinkedIn, share infographics on Twitter, and send detailed guides via email. Engagement and interaction are critical for a successful content strategy. Encourage your audience to comment, share, and provide feedback on your content. Respond promptly to comments and messages to build a loyal community. For example, a beauty brand could run Q&A sessions on Instagram Live to engage with their followers directly. Measure and analyze the performance of your content regularly. Use tools like Google Analytics, social media insights, and email marketing software to track metrics such as traffic, engagement, and conversions. This data helps you refine your strategy and make informed decisions. For instance, if a certain type of blog post drives the most traffic, you might focus more on producing similar content. In summary, a digital content strategy involves defining clear goals, understanding your audience, planning new content, engaging users, and tracking performance to ensure consistent results. Thanks for watching. I hope this clarified how to build a digital content strategy. Drop your questions in the comments and subscribe for more insights.